So, in box number 1, we got a trusty little knife. Just to be safe. A micro SD card. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Jokes! Actually, this is in the box as well. Yup, it's a GoPro Hero. Or actually, hold on. That way. GoPro Hero, guys. I'm actually gonna start using this for my hockey vlogs. So because this is cheaper, and honestly, I don't really care if this gets hit by a puck or whatever. Because my silver, that's actually being repaired right now, and that's hella expensive. And if that gets hit by a puck, I'm gonna cry, literally, on the ice. Yeah. But yeah, let's keep the fun going and open it. Oh, trusty knife again. Got it. Close it up. Ooh. Oh, damn it, more tape. God damn it, how do you open this? Wait, I think I'm stupid. Whoops. I think I'm retarded. Nope, not quite. Okie dokie. Yeah, after this I'm gonna need to sharpen my knife. Yeah. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. My GoPro Hero. And what's inside the box, you might ask? If you haven't watched any of these videos before. Instruction manuals. A bunch of them. And a sticker! Woo! Free ad for GoPro. What is this? Cable. Some other adhesive mounts. And a skeleton back door. Which I'm actually going to use the skeleton back door here. If I could figure out how to frickin' open this thing to begin with, right? So let's take a look here. You know, I don't even use this part here, so I'm just gonna totally completely remove that. Come on. Okay. How the hell do you remove this? Let me see. Oh, That was easy. Snap this on. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's turn it on. Ooh. No SD, obviously. So, this is where this comes into play. So I just bought the Lexar 32 gig one. What they said was it can go up to 4K, so I think my silver is actually 4K. But whatever, you know. Gonna open this bitch up and slaughter in. How do you open this thing? Might as well, right? I'm a savage, what can I say? Oh yeah, the camera's right there. So that's the 32 gig. Good. Oh shit. There she is. Open this door again. See if I'm doing this right. Absolutely. And you know what? Turn her off, turn her back on. Very nice. There you go. And you know what? I'm actually going to set the thing. Truth is, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't like the beeps. Gonna set this date here. What day is it today, guys? May 30th? Ah, crap. Missed the May and March again. Okay, so next 27th, 30th, 2016. What time is it right now? It is 5:30. So 24-hour time, that would be 17. 35, whatever, let's go with that. And I'm gonna set this to 1080-30. There we go. It's all set to my liking. And all I have to do now is test it out with the suction cup mount tonight at hockey. So I'm going to actually be posting that tonight's hockey game on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hopefully share. Anyways, peace! You know what, guys? So might as well just show you how the GoPro Hero looks on the suction mount. Absolutely. It's fantastic. So yeah, can't wait till I bring this to hockey tonight. Try it out for the first time. Give it a good test, and hopefully everything's good. Peace.